In this video, I'll be going over how to multiply by multiples of 10. When we want to multiply by multiples of 10s, the first thing we would do is multiply the numbers and then add the zeros after. Below are 6 examples, I'll be going over each one. So the first step is we're going to look at the two numbers that we're multiplying together. In the first example, we have 9. Then we have 50. So we can see there is a 1 0 here, which we're going to go ahead and add that after we multiply. So the two numbers that we want to multiply together is the 9 and the 5. And 9 times 5 is 45. Then we want to place that 0 at the end. So that becomes 450. For the second example, again, we have a 0 here. So we're going to multiply 8 with 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. Then we'll add a 0 at the end. And that becomes 480. For the third example, we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to times 6 by 7, which equals 42. Then there are a total of 3 zeros after, so we'll go ahead and add the zeros after. And the answer becomes 42,000. For the fourth example, we have 2 zeros. So we'll take 2 times 6. That equals 12. Then there are 2 zeros after, so we're going to include 2 zeros. And so the answer is 1200. The fifth example, we have 4 zeros. And we'll multiply the two numbers that are not 0. 5 times 2 is 10. And there's a total of 4 zeros, so we'll go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're adding a comma, so this is 100,000. In the last example, we have a total of 6 zeros. So we're going to multiply 7 by 9 equals 63. Then we want to add the zeros. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And we'll place in a comma. And the answer is 63 million. So these 6 examples are how you would multiply by multiples of 10. You would first multiply the numbers that are not 0. And then add the zeros after. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.